I have tried many text-to-video AI tools, and luckily I found Kapwing text-to-AI video tool. It's free and uses a different model, which makes it worth exploring. To discover this wonderful tool for free, sign up using Gmail. Fill in the necessary fields for a better experience. Click Generate and select Video Project. With Kapwing, you can also create scenes and images in addition to videos. Once you are in the video project, you'll see three options: create from a prompt, create from an article. URL use your own prompt. Take a look at the duration and other options as well. Let's try a sample using the format Creative. Wow, it generates a prompt based on the given title. Don't worry, you can always change or adjust it later. When you finalize, click Generate Video. More options will follow, including selecting the aspect ratio and subtitle style. Finally, your video generation will begin. It may take some time, so stay on the platform until it's complete. Once done, you'll see the prompt on the left and the video on the right. For example, I generated a video titled "A Week Off Social Media." Looking at the content, it felt rich, relevant, and very close to real-world examples, making it more human-like and engaging for viewers. Before the final export, you can still use the right-hand toolbar to make adjustments such as size, background color, and a few more options. Please try them out. When it's time to export, note that in the free version, the maximum aspect ratio is 720p, which is more than enough for a short video. Exporting is really quick, and you can either view the final file online or download it directly. That's it. I really love this tool as it saves a lot of time. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.